Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. This is going to be my first YouTube video with me actually showing you guys cleaning and organization. So I decided to start with my fridge and my freezer. So this is just a before of what my fridge looked like. Nothing special. So here we are jumping into the freezer, and right now I'm just going ahead and taking everything from my freezer and putting it out on the counters. During this process, I was also checking to see if anything was expired or if it was frostbite on any of the groceries. And as you guys can see how bad my freezer is, and this is like after like a month. So here I'm just going in with some Clorox all-purpose cleaner, and then I'm going to take one of my kitchen rags and wipe down the freezer. And at the bottom of my freezer, it was just a bunch of curry leaves and some chilies that fell out of a bag that my mother-in-law gave me. And I don't know why I never cleaned them out. Again, I'm still going in with that rag, trying to get everything out of the cracks and crevices of the freezer. And here I am labeling and putting things back into the freezer, just to make it easy and accessible for my husband for when I am at work. If it's labeled, I can just say, hey, go in and grab that, versus him trying to figure out where everything is. Sorry that everything is out of focus here. And voila, so here we have some of the items back onto the freezer. And that's what that looks like, nothing special. Sorry for the fidgeting in here. And then we're gonna move on to the fridge. So again, right here, I'm just going to be taking things out, putting the waters in. You can't really see it here, but I'm just putting my kids' juice boxes in these clear containers that I got from Costco, and I think it's the iDesign brand. And at the top over there to the left, I went ahead and used my iDesign containers to store my bell peppers, tomatoes. And there I'm putting in my Suja vitamin C. had to go and pick up my kids, so I couldn't really take the glass out and clean underneath in between, but I did spot clean everything that I was able to clean. And boom, there you have it. I have my veggies to the left with my sparkling waters behind the immunity boost, eggs, and boom, there you have it. I hope you guys really like this video. It was my first attempt at this video, but if you guys could go ahead and subscribe, tell all of your friends about me, and stay on the lookout for my next video. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye. Oh, spin it, flip it, spin it.